Hey everyone, welcome to the first cooking video of Chibisi Anyankah, and today we'll be making tasty fried chicken. Let's get started. Note the ingredients for this recipe will be listed in the description box below. Add your Knorr chicken seasoning cubes, some curry powder, kitchen glory, garlic powder, ginger powder, all-purpose chicken seasoning, and your blended pepper mix, which comprises of atarudo, tatashe, and onions. Now give this a good mix and allow to sit for about 10 minutes. We're leaving the chicken to sit for about 10 minutes to marinate it. Add in your sliced onions. Cover this and allow to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. While this is going on, watch this.
You are my father, you were my love. I never see this kind of love. Hey! I never see this kind of love.
So yeah guys, this is pretty much myself and my siblings goofing around in the kitchen while the chicken was boiling. If you've stayed up to this moment, thank you. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. So after all of that, our chicken is pretty much ready. You could see this already, and we'll just check how good it is, bring it out of the pot, and head over to frying. Now to a pan, add in your vegetable oil. You can also add a bulb of onion, but I used slices. Then put in your chicken. The quantity of chicken we'll be frying today isn't much, but I would want to say try not to overcrowd your pan whenever you're frying chicken. Allow the chicken have space while frying. Keep stirring your chicken. Do not allow it to burn. Keep an eye on your chicken. Don't leave it for a minute. And then this is pretty much how the frying process is going. If you've stayed up to this moment, trust me, you're the real OG. Thank you so much for staying up to this moment. I really do appreciate you. Please do not forget to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Our chicken is ready. Do not let it burn. Don't let it burn. Bring it out. Bring it all out. Yeah, basically put the chicken on a napkin, and that's just it. Look at this goodness. You can pair it with jollof rice. Speaking of which, jollof rice recipe would be next. See you next time. Bye guys.